Hello and welcome back to Humans and Society. This video focuses on the topic Rational Choice Theory under the subject Disciplines and Ideas in the Social Sciences. There are dominant approaches and ideas used in the scientific study of society. These approaches offer various ways of looking at society and also offer various ways of explaining the things that are happening in it. These approaches also serve as guides or frameworks in doing research in the social sciences. Rational choice theory is a social science theory based on the exchange theory. It claims that when a person is confronted with a set of choices, that person will choose the option that will best serve his objectives. Cost-benefit analysis is an important concept in the discipline of economics, and rational choice theory assumes that people estimate the probable costs and benefits of any action before deciding what to do. They tend to choose the option that will provide the greatest satisfaction with the lowest possible effort. Thomas Hobbes suggested that people collectively entered a social contract with the government to give up their rights in exchange for the government to ensure the safety and security of everyone. This is rational choice theory in action in the field of politics. For Adam Smith, exchange value of a product or service is determined by the amount of work that it requires to be produced. Workers do not create these products or deliver these services out of the goodness of their hearts. They expect to be paid for them. This is rational choice in economics. Meanwhile, George Homans defined social exchange theory as the exchange of activities, whether tangible or intangible, and more or less rewarding or costing between two persons. He has three major propositions. The more an action produces a reward, the more the action tends to be repeated. The more a stimulus provides a reward, the more people will respond to the stimulus. And the more often a person receives a reward, the less valuable the reward becomes. This is rational choice as applied to sociology.
Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for notifications. Comment below for topics you would like to be discussed in future videos.
There are four key concepts in rational choice theory. The first concept is utility maximization. This refers to patterns of behavior in societies wherein the choices made by individuals are governed by the maximization of benefits and minimization of costs. The second key concept is structure of preferences. This means that people are motivated by their personal desires. They make choices related to their goals and the means of attaining their goals. They predict possible outcomes of alternative courses of action and calculate which option is best for them. The third key concept is decision making under conditions of uncertainty. Each individual takes full advantage of the likely worth of its payoff. People act on the basis of information they have based on the conditions under which they are acting. No exchange happens unless both parties are making a profit. It presupposes that all actions are rational. It denies interaction that are irrational or calculative. The final key concept in rational choice is centrality of individuals in the explanation of collective outcomes. The basic unit of social life is individual human being. Group outcomes are caused by the maximizing actions of individuals. Social change and social institutions can be explained by individual actions and interactions. Rational choice theory has three major strengths. The first is its generality. It is the most general theory of social action that can be used to understand all human behavior. The second is its parsimony. The explanation is made with the fewest possible assumptions. And third, it is predictive. The next action can be expected because decisions are based on assumptions. However, rational choice theory also has several weaknesses. First, inadequate information and uncertainty causes individuals to resort to other ways of making decisions, which may not be rational. Second, it cannot explain complex interactions. Third, it has difficulty explaining how macro level decisions are made. And fourth, not all human actions are rational. These irrational actions cannot be explained by rational choice theory. Rational choice theory puts individuals at the center of understanding society. People will perform actions depending on their insights on the likelihood of success. Society is based on the collective decisions of individuals who are each choosing what is best for themselves. The ideas discussed in this video are based on the content standards of the Department of Education. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.